At Orrell Park Motorcycles, we provide good quality products and motorcycles at a fair price. Our bike stocks are of the very highest standard and we only deal in good quality, low mileage motorcycles. We can supply any of the major manufacturers' bikes including Honda, Suzuki, Yamaha and Kawasaki. We have a fully equipped in-house workshop run by specialist motorcycle technicians. Our technicians boast a wealth of experience in their field and they are all qualified Datatool alarm fitters. This ensures we are able to offer a complete motorcycling package to all of our customers. Our shop is very well stocked with a wide range of clothing, helmets, accessories, cleaners, lubricants, consumables, alarms, tyres and spare parts. Let's meet the owner, John.
Hiya, my name's John and this is Orrell Park Motorcycles. I think as you'll see from the pages on the website, you find, if you visit us, a very well equipped shop. Got good workshop facilities, tyres, alarms, you name it for your everyday needs. Why not just pop in and see what we're all about?